Looking for the best laptop battery replacement but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best laptop battery replacement based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The 42WH-WDX0R laptop battery is a great choice for Dell Inspiron 15 owners. Its standout feature is its high capacity of 42WH, providing extended battery life and reliable performance. This makes it ideal for heavy users who need a power-packed solution. Additionally, its compatibility with a wide range of Dell Inspiron 15 models is a bonus. However, its voltage of 11.4 V might be lower than expected, and users should ensure compatibility before purchasing. Still, it's a solid option for users seeking a reliable and high-capacity battery replacement. Number 4. The HT03XLL11119-855 laptop battery is another great option for HP Pavilion 15 owners. Its standout feature is its compatibility with a wide range of HP Pavilion 15 models, making it a versatile choice. Additionally, its 41.9 Wh capacity is sufficient for everyday use, and its polymer battery design provides a compact and lightweight solution. However, its voltage of 11.55 V might be lower than expected, and its package contents are relatively basic. Still, it's a great option for users seeking a reliable and compact battery replacement. Number 3. The HT03XLL11119-855 laptop battery is a great choice for HP Pavilion 15 owners. Its standout feature is its polymer battery design, which provides a more compact and lightweight solution compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. This makes it ideal for users who prioritize portability and convenience. Additionally, its 41.9 Wh capacity is sufficient for everyday use, and its compatibility with multiple HP Pavilion 15 models is a bonus. However, its voltage of 11.55 V might be lower than expected. Still, it's a solid option for users seeking a reliable and compact battery. Number 2. The 919700-850 laptop battery from HP is a reliable option for HP spare owners. Its standout feature is its durable design, equipped with overcurrent protection, anti-overcharge, and anti-overdischarge functions. This makes it suitable for users who prioritize battery health and longevity. It's also compatible with a wide range of HP 15, BS000 and 15, BW000 series laptops, making it a convenient choice. However, its lower capacity of 2200 mAh might not be ideal for heavy users. Still, it's a great option for those seeking a hassle-free battery replacement. Number 1. The 807956-001HS03 replacement laptop battery is a top-notch option for HP Pavilion 15 owners. Its standout feature is its high 2600 mAh capacity, providing extended battery life and reliable performance. This battery is ideal for heavy users who need a power-packed solution. I'm impressed with its compatibility across multiple HP Pavilion 15 models, making it a versatile choice. Overall, it's a solid pick for HP Pavilion 15 owners seeking a reliable battery replacement. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.